168 just stole my squad car. I told you, Ryan. Oh my God.
One June morning in Barrington, Illinois, police responded to a report of a group of suspicious individuals at a luxury car dealership. When they arrived, it appeared to be a routine burglary. But within minutes, the thieves had not only stolen the Porsches, they had also hijacked the police cruiser. In broad daylight, these robberies are more than just daring. They reveal the level of organization and planning behind a sprawling criminal network.
Leading with a Porsche, high rate of speed.
190, they just rammed me. They're ramming the gate. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, motherfucker! Oh. 190 more Porsches are being stolen.
138, I'm 1060. Can we get Inverness to respond as well?
Hey, Inverness, get into the area, please.
Are you hit?
75 is better for air around.
190, black SUV Porsche headed eastbound on Dundee Road. And, there was also another Porsche that left southbound.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Is he in the car? You're hurt?
Huh?
Sector 136, hold the air.
Be careful. 190. We just got a passerby that said the white Porsche.
What's the top over road? Just 1050 with another vehicle. Southbound. He's on our way over there. White Porsche 1050 southbound Barrington. I'm eastbound Dundee, passing Carlisle. That black Porsche is far ahead of me. Right. Black Porsche, eastbound Dundee, far ahead of you.
Hey, I got another Mercedes coming out at a high rate of speed. They're gonna ram the gate. Headed westbound on Dundee Road. They went through the gate, hit my car again, and they're gonna go southbound on Barrington Road. White Mercedes. I know. Just get in your car.
168, I got 277. Stop the car! Get the hell out of the car! Get up! Get up!
We're going to go southbound on Barrington Road. Southbound.
168, I need another unit. Got people running at 68.
People running next way.
Get on the ground!
Are you now going to need us to assist? Yeah.
Get on the ground. Just stole my squad car. I told you, Ryan. Oh my God.
Barrington.
6A, we have 2 cars broken down here. I might need other units out here.
Once the iron gate was broken, the high-speed chase began. The speed was measured at more than 200 kilometers per hour, equivalent to 126 miles per hour. One of the suspects took over the police car with the siren on and fled. On a legal level, this is considered robbery of official property and resisting an officer with a weapon. In such situations, any decision to pursue carries great risk, not only for the police, but also for the people moving on the road.
Southbound 14. Southbound on Gila. Southbound on Gila, 10-4, swap. 136, correct, and southbound on Gila. Southbound on Gila. 1050. 1050 right here. 1050 location.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands! We're at Dundee and Ela.
Dundee and Ela. You know what we need units here. And then another vehicle. We got somebody in the woods. Somebody in the woods. That's what we need units here. And then another vehicle. We got somebody in the woods. Subject in the woods.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands! You're on the ground, motherfucker! Let me see your hands!
Almost there.
Are they okay over here?
I think it's a stolen car. Just make sure, stay back. I don't know if they're armed.
All right. So they've all pretty much wrecked right now, so we're chasing them all. I'll keep you updated. Don't fucking move! You hear me? Don't you fucking move! Don't move! Don't fucking move! You fucking move your gun! Stop! Listen to me! Roll onto your stomach! Roll onto your stomach! Hey! Keep your fucking hands up!
The stolen cars lost control, crashed, and were abandoned on the side of the road. The police subdued each suspect amid the sirens and exhaust fumes. The people involved, both the police and the suspects, were in a state of extreme tension. One officer was hit head-on by a car while trying to block the escape route. The next few seconds were all about survival reflexes and professional skills. High-speed chases like this are not simply criminal acts. They are a clash between legal consciousness and blind recklessness.
You're gonna get a day! Don't move! You okay?
Yep. Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you saw him. There was another guy that took off through the forest.
He did?
Yeah.
Is that the person that came out and stole my squad car?
The one that took your car?
Yeah.
There was a second one that went right before that. They ran through the forest. I'm on your back right now. Don't move.
I'm being told the second unit got out of the car, ran westbound on 16.
They're now in custody.
Somebody, entrapment. Central 136, can you please send a paramedic to our location? We have one subject entrapped in the vehicle.
One subject trapped in the vehicle, 10-4.
Oh, this is a victim?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Dude, I have no clue. No one right now. Our supervisor's at Motorworks.
Okay.
Well,
That's cool. Where are you from?
where?
I used to be the police, right? What street?
Oh,
Who's missing? Are we missing the bad guys with them?
no, we got him. Central 136. The subject is out of the vehicle.
Subject out of the vehicle, 10-4.
All right.
So hold on just one second. So just to be clear, we got one offender in the stolen squad,
Right.
but in custody.
Right, one victim,
And one victim.
and then everybody else at Motorworks.
Who else? Was anyone else with you in the squad?
Yes,
Someone was in the squad with you?
yes,
Is he in the woods here with us now?
yes. I ain't other one.
We got one still at large, sounds like.
In the other woods. What? In the other woods over there. That way. No, that way.
You want to show him?
Line, right? Real. He big for sure? Yes.
Is he armed? Has he got a gun?
Black.
You got a gun?
He got a gun. What you got? He got a black hoodie, blue pants.
We got one at large. Here, sit up so you can breathe, man. Just sit up like this.
One at large, westbound, black hoodie, blue pants.
Central 173, correction. 173, go ahead.
You went this way?
Yeah. He been at the woods.
Who was he driving or were you driving?
He was driving. He been at the car when he crashed. All right, what's on?
Failed dark hoodie, last seen westbound.
I got it. Go ahead. Relax.
All right, we're gonna stand up. All right, here we're gonna kind of roll aside. Get your knees under you. Hold on. Get your feet under you. All right, now come back up. Ready? There you go. All right, we're gonna grab it. Just hold on. I'm gonna search you one more time while you're up. Okay?
Got nothing on you, right?
Got keys down there too.
31 last time. We got no squads here.
My keys are so good. Where the keys are? Okay.
Be good. And,
Say where the guys at. If they call, I know they at. What is that?
All right, you got a taser probe in you, just FYI. So
That's gonna be hard. We gotta go that way.
that way.
No, it's such a big slope right there.
All right, here, you got him for a second. Hold on.
Did y'all always cook him?
160 and 45 of the car.
What? Did y'all always cook him? No. Yeah, I will.
Barrington.
Y'all always cook him there?
Judge, what's that? You're going to Cook County Jail.
Yes. Bro, I won't be out here with these people. He crashed hit me in my head.
All right, we're going to get you an ambulance, but we got to get you up here, man. We called an ambulance already, okay?
Okay.
Can you get your legs under you so we can get up?
Okay.
We're like literally almost there. Look at this. Look.
Okay. You're good. You're good.
Almost there, bro. Let me grab my squad. He's gonna need an ambulance too, but you don't need an ambulance?
Yeah, we're gonna get you checked out regardless. Hello? Have they called you yet? We got a major show. You gotta come in. We got one squad crash. We got one guy in custody at least. Multiple one civilian that was involved in the crash.
We're going to shut down.
Looking for two more guys running around town. Hey, can you guys shut this down?
At Barrington and Rockaway.
Hey, you okay? Wake up, bro. Busy? What's your name?
After the chase, 2 suspects were arrested: Tavarius Jackson, 27, and Lamont Jackson, 23. Both had criminal records and were on probation. Tavarius was charged with multiple offenses: vehicle theft, causing injury to an officer, and resisting arrest. Lamont was charged with escape with a stolen vehicle and reckless driving. These offenses are considered felony, serious offenses that carry a prison sentence of 4 to 10 years. The group reportedly returned to the same location twice, with the same plan and the same method, suggesting professionalism rather than randomness. As the investigation continued, police uncovered a string of similar car thefts across Illinois and Missouri. Many of the cars were resold for just a few $100s or traded online. These acts were no longer individual crimes. They were part of a chain of interstate stolen car sales. The sentences handed down reflect the real consequences of organized crime. They not only cause physical damage, but also threaten the community's confidence in everyday safety. They didn't just steal cars, they stole a town's sense of safety. Cases like these show how thin the line between recklessness and crime can be. The recklessness lasts a few minutes, but the consequences, sometimes a lifetime. If you are interested in real cases and deeper legal analysis, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on crime stories told with the most honest and sober perspective.